Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now, are you looking for a really good, maybe camping plate and bowl set, or maybe something for your go bag? Well, we've been using this UCO 4-piece mess kit. Now, what I really love about it is, one, you can put liquids in here and you don't have to worry about it spilling. I like taking this on walks with my dog. I'm not worried about everything spilling all over my backpack, but I feel very safe with the good sealing that this has. Now, what I really like about it as well is you could use it for many different things because it's both a bowl on one side, but it could also double as a plate when you're camping or on the go. It also comes with a pretty cool little spork and spoon and tether, so you're never gonna lose it. Now, if you are a backpacker, it is super light. Very lightweight, but very high quality, so you don't have to worry about it taking up too much room or too much weight in your backpack. Now, my wife and I, we actually have one of these in our go bag. You never know when there might be a little emergency, and it's good to be able to have a plate and a bowl in case you need to heat something up or warm something up and eat it safely. So this is a really great product, even if you just want something to throw in your bag as you go on a hike or as you take your dogs for a walk. And it's a pretty cool blue color, isn't it? I like things that are colorful, I like things that are different, and this is original. I love the color. So it's really durable. You can put it in the dishwasher, you can put it in the microwave, but it's also not glass, so it's not gonna smash or break if you're camping with it or if you're taking it for a long hike or walk in your backpack. So this is a must-have. I really like it. Very high quality, highly recommend it. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.